Step-by-step, nighttime skincare routine. Washing hands and hydrating face with lukewarm water. To open pores for proper absorption of products, starting with a gel cleanser to remove excess oil, dirt, and impurities from the skin. Massage onto the skin for about 60 seconds to provide a deep cleanse without leaving a heavy or greasy residue. Rinse off and pat dry with clean towel. Apply an exfoliating toner on a dry skin. This should be used not more than 2 to 3 times a week. Exfoliating toner improves skin texture, brightens the complexion, and unclogs pores by removing dead skin cells. Allow it to dry before proceeding to the next step. Moving on with alpha-arbutin serum. Regular use of this serum alleviates suntan, age spots, acne scars, and melasma. Also, it lightens and reduces UV-induced pigmentation and free radicals without increasing sun sensitivity. Next is niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% serum. This serum addresses enlarged pores, helps regulate excess sebum, target wrinkles and fine lines, improves plumpness and suppleness, and supports overall skin radiance. Time to top up with a moisturizer. This is essential in every skincare routine. Moisturizer increases the skin's water content and restores the skin's innate protective barrier function. It also battles signs of aging, fights wrinkles, acne, and helps the skin to stay young. Last step is to moisturize the lip area to soothe, protect, hydrate, and enhance lip health and appearance. Very simple, easy, and effective. Nighttime routine for a bright, glowy, healthy, and attractive skin. Remember, consistency is the key.